Hi, it's Terry Coatney, Coldwell Banker Realtor here in Marietta, Ohio. Also, we have an office in Vienna, West Virginia, and I am licensed in both states. If you're looking for a house and you're living in the Mid-Ohio Valley, sometimes you will find houses that are near the river and questions come up like, what about flood insurance? Or you don't know about flood insurance. Even in Vienna, along Pond Run, there are houses there that require flood insurance. So what do you need to know as a home buyer about flood insurance? Well, first of all, you have to remember that homeowners insurance does not cover flood insurance. That is a separate insurance that you have to get. And it's necessary if you're buying a home that's in a flood zone and it's a government loan. That means an FHA loan or a VA loan or a USDA loan. These then will require you to have flood insurance. What does flood insurance cost? Well, it depends upon the value of the house. So the higher the value of the house, the more coverage is needed. And then the other factor is, what flood zone is it in? Is it in the 100-year flood zone or a closer flood zone? So what is the flood zone that it's particularly in? So that's going to all impact the cost. So what will the cost be? Well, one of the things that you want to do, like any insurance that you get, you want to bid that. So you want to get several quotes. And it's always good to get a quote from someone who will broker that out. So in other words, if you would go to like a name brand insurance like Nationwide, State Farm, and so forth, they may have a really good rate, but they have one set rate, and then sometimes when you can go to independent brokers, they'll be able to bid out that insurance. So if you have any questions about that, you can give me a call, because flood insurance will vary in cost, and it will impact your ability to buy that house too, because it could add $50 to $100 or more to the cost of living in the house on a monthly basis. So if you like these videos and want any more information, you can always contact me and I'll provide some more details. So hit that like button and subscribe button, and I would appreciate it. Have a great day, and we'll talk with you soon.